Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase video quality with Vimeo step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Vimeo account. Navigate to the video you want to improve the quality of. Click on the video to access its settings. Locate the settings button, typically found below the video player. Once in the settings menu, select the video tab. Here, you will find the option for video quality. Check the current resolution and format of your video. If necessary, select a higher resolution option from the available settings. Ensure that your video is in a compatible format for higher quality playback. Explore the advanced settings for additional quality enhancements. Consider enabling the adaptive streaming feature if it's available. This feature optimizes playback based on the viewer's internet speed. If your video originally has a lower resolution, consider re-uploading it in a higher quality. Before re-uploading, enhance your video using editing software. Focus on aspects such as color correction and sharpening. Once edited, save the video in a high-resolution format. Return to your Vimeo account and click on Upload. Follow the prompts to upload your enhanced video. After uploading, revisit the video settings to ensure everything is correct. Lastly, test your video on different devices to confirm quality improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.